Thank you, Spanky, for running over there and taking this video.
Well, that's the front door here, looking out. They got all the sheetrock done. All that sheetrock. Your pantry. Oh, Gary, they didn't do the frickin' dog door, dude. Tisk-a-tisk. Very nice. I don't have the bathrooms done yet. Look at that. Just look at that. I'm going to have a word with them. Trap door's still there. Very nice. Like the vaulted ceiling. Wow. It's a nice big room for your laundry. Hey, look at that. Look how crooked that is. My gosh. I should have been on site correcting them. Very nice. Bathroom still ain't done, but wow, love the walk-in closet. You could hang a lot of blow-up dolls in here. Oh, there ain't no light. Oh, I wanted to see if the furnace was in. I broke your entryway. There we go. Your toilet and your sink. Hey, dude, they got the furnace in. Woohoo! Check that out. That's who you deal with. Wow. Very nice. Ceiling's all done. They did not put that outlet in up here, Gary. That outlet still isn't there. It should have been right in this area. Nice big garage, buddy. You're gonna like this. There's some kind of wiring. They got your panel off. Well, they got that off. They should, run a wire up there and get that thing wired if you still want it. Boy, this is beautiful. You're going to love this. Okay, buddy. That's it. Oh, they got a little thermostat here. They must be working with the furnace on, testing it out. Okay, and out the front door. There's a beautiful day. Just a beautiful day. You can sit out here and be a porch monkey. Okay, chat with you later.